Mwanene bw'eskuru ya sekondari ya Randani Sec oiboigo obeire gakwerera makong a eskuru eyo egenderete koba gigwetera anene chingaki echi bare ang'e riogosieka eskuru eyo
gukwana chingaki echo ni gateba buna omubaro mokebwa bari mwanene ase junior secondary naboigo omubaro gose okobura kwa macha eskuru eyo negatie mechando yaberege kwendekiwa mono ni gatana eskuru eyo nigere asorobe gatie wodi yabo kimonge naboigo bumbaba kwirira emechando emenge kwenekiwa asaruro kubore gochiase abarayikorwa se chinsemo chonsi naboigo umuchumbe bwenseme yo wesokya nakubasira asogwikirania naboigo gusira ebirengo bikisemya eskuru eyo.
Just like other schools in the Republic of Kenya, not all schools are staffed well. Our CBE is 9 teachers, but Kisii has given us 5 teachers. So it's a great burden to the parents who have to employ 4 more other teachers so that the students are taught well. Thank our stakeholders for coming in to support us. Randani Secondary School, being a school on the border between the Bumbaba clan and the Bukene clan, there must be challenges. Definitely, historically, we have had challenges. But then, the two clans have now vowed to work together because they have noted that it's for the good of the student, for the good of the community, since their sons and daughters are learning in this school. However, we have challenges like we have a challenge of water. Within the school, we have done a well, which is not supplying water during drought season. And our students are forced to walk a distance of 2 kilometers to the spring that is found around this place. We ask stakeholders, those who can be able to come in and assist us, to assist us especially on this challenge.
Especially as CDF Nevin and do what the project the dining hall, Nevin, when a balladry to water or Congo, there are a one. You do I go to see one of the items we have. I guess